A virtual credit card is a secure temporary digital payment solution designed for online transactions. Unlike traditional physical cards, virtual cards generate unique details such as card numbers and CVVs, ensuring your main account remains protected from unauthorized access. They are particularly useful for managing free trials or subscriptions on platforms like Spotify and Netflix, as they prevent unwanted charges once the trial period ends. With features like customizable spending limits, easy deactivation, and compatibility with a range of payment systems, virtual credit cards offer unparalleled control and convenience for modern consumers. If you are looking for a reliable way to get one, platforms like Tivao simplify the process. To start, click the link in the description below and you will be taken to this page. This is Tivao, a leading platform offering both physical and virtual cards designed for secure and efficient transactions. With availability in over 200 countries, Tivao provides seamless financial solutions for a global audience. Getting started is simple. Just register an account using your email address and password. After that, download Tivao app from Play Store or App Store on your mobile device and log in with your account. The first step you'll encounter is choosing between a physical card and a virtual card. Before applying for a virtual card, there are a few steps you need to complete. Begin with identity verification by specifying whether you are a US resident and selecting your country. Enter your first name, last name, and date of birth, then proceed to the next step. Here, you'll select your document type for verification. Rest assured, Tivao partners with Jumio, a trusted identity verification service also used by Revolut. For instance, you might choose an ID card as your document type. Upload clear images of the front and back of your ID, input the document number, and include the expiration date if applicable. Next, provide your residential address and click Submit. Document verification typically takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Once complete, there are 2 more verification steps that you will go through later. Before proceeding further, you'll need to deposit some funds. You might be wondering, what's the purpose of a virtual card if you are just going to add money from your card? Don't worry, Tivao offers a crypto-friendly option. You can deposit funds using USDT. Simply tap on Deposit in the app and select USDT. When prompted to choose a network, select BNB Smart Chain. Then copy the wallet address provided. Next, open any third-party crypto exchange platform like Binance. From there, select USDT and paste the copied wallet address and choose BNB Smart Chain as the network. Enter the amount you wish to deposit, confirm the details, and complete the withdrawal. Your funds will soon be available in your Tivao account, ready for use. Once everything is set, click on Apply Cards in the top right corner and select Virtual Card. Each card options comes with a list of key features, making it easy to compare and choose the best fit. I recommend choosing Platinum Card as it offers greater flexibility. It can be linked to Apple Pay, Google Pay, and PayPal for seamless transactions. Both virtual card options are priced at $20. To get started, simply tap Apply Now. As I said, there will be 2 more verifications, which will take 2 minutes to complete. After face verification, tap on the phone number. It is asking to set up the payment code first. Remember, this code will be used to get your card details later on. After completing the verifications, you can apply for your virtual card. Once your application is submitted, your card will appear in the app within minutes. To view your card number, simply click on the CVV section and enter your payment code. Your virtual card number will be displayed ready for use. You can now use it for free trials or other purchases. Just remember to top up your card as needed for continued use. Thanks for watching.